lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Yan. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, simulan na natin, Pisces. Bakit parang we are longing for someone or someone is longing for you. Merong nangungulila sa iyong presensya or nangungulila ka sa presensya ng iba, no? Kasi parang sa'yo medyo stressed na tayo dahil hindi natin nakakausap, hindi natin nakikita, no? Either less ang communication to no communication at all. Masakit, no? Dahil yung itong separations pwedeng hindi ginusto. Lalo na pwede ito sa mga OFW, no? Kasi although ginusto magtrabaho pero hindi ginustong mawalay sa pamilya, no? Hindi ginusto mawalay sa karelasyon. Pero kinakailangan, no? Nandun pa rin naman yung pagmamahal, no? And I feel like the passion is there. Parang nang may excitement dito. Sometimes, okay, I will be discussing this because we are adults, no? And don't worry. Kasi itong channel na ito, hindi ito pwede for 18 years pababa. So, naka-restrict ito for 18 years pababa. And I meant it, no? Ako po yung nag-decide dahil sometimes we have topics that we might be discussing adult, no? And especially, we're not encouraging, no? Itong mga kabataan muna is mag-focus sa relationship. Ayan, aral muna sila. So, imbis na sana nakakapanood lahat, no? Pero, again, this is restricted for 18 years and below. Ngayon, depende na lang, no? Kasi baka mamaya, meron din mga batang magagaling, no? Pinipeke ang age, so hindi ko nakasalanan yon. Sarili nila yon, no? Or meron din naman mga parents, no? Diyan, parents, na hindi chine-check. Kasi meron namang YouTube for kids, no? Baka mamaya pinapahiram yung sarili nilang account. Hindi ko na rin po kasalanan. Now, let's go back. Kaya ako sinabi yon kasi medyo adult itong content na sasabihin ko. Minsan siguro kapag naririnig natin yung boses, dahil nga meron tayong separations dito sa taong ito, kumbaga nakikiliti tayo, no? Sometimes yung mga babae, no, we are being enticed, no, nagwa-water yung ating flower, di ba? Because of excitement, ganun din naman si guy, if in case, no, nagkakaroon ng erections, meron ding mga, anong tawag yung pre-cum, yan, yung mga ganyan. Kasi nga, nandun pa yung pagmamahal or kahit hindi na naririnig yung boses, yung naaalala lang. And sometimes I'm seeing here that probably, playing yourself, no, with satisfying yourself. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, nakaka-stress kapag yung taong mahal mo is malayo sa'yo. Lalo na kung nakaka-stress kung malayo na nga, nagkagalit pa kayo. no? With the Seven of Wands. Ang hirap i-pacify yung ganito kasi kung nandito ka lang sana sa lugar or malapit lang kayo sa isa't isa, it doesn't have to be necessary OFW, no? Baka mamaya nasa kabilang kalye lang. Pero dahil nga may ginagawang kalsada, hindi tayo makadaan. Or nakaban tayo sa kanila, no? Or yung kumbaga, ang tawag doon, meron grounded. Ang hirap kasi hindi natin mapuntahan, hindi natin masatisfy yung cravings ba ng either katawan natin. It's not just about libog, no? It's about the yung kumbaga masatisfy itong maayos kung ano man yung kaunting gusot. With the Two of Cups and the Princess of Cups, chances are, baka naka-block din tayo, kaya nahihirapan na tayo makipag-communicate, no? But with the Princess of Cups, medyo tinitignan-tignan natin yung mga social media accounts, no? Paano naman kung naka-block, paano makikita? Di gumawa nga, baka gumawa ng dummy account or hinihiram, no? Yung account ng mga mutual friends, tas tinitingnan. Masakit lang para dito sa taong to with the Two of Wands kasi ang ine-expect nito is magkakaayos agad. Or ang ine-expect nung siguro nasa OFW makauwi agad pero there may be some extensions of contracts, no? So tiis-tiis muna sa video call or video call pala. With the Sun, I feel like there will be some communications in here, by the way. That's gonna happen here using internet or technology. It may be, again, Skype, Messenger, no? FaceTime para sa may mga kaya. Agoy, no? Ano pa ba? Call, no? Ayan. So with the Sun, ang inaantay lang dito is yung warmth, yung pagtanggap muli, sabihin na okay tayo, no? With the Two of Swords, nagkaroon nga talaga ng separation, whether this is physical or energetic. Now, para sa mga bago po, ang physical separations, ito po yung literal. I think that this is self-explanatory, no? Malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Hindi kayo nagkikita ng physical. Energetic, however, this might be something new to your, to your ear. Kasi I separated those two. Energetic separations, pwedeng nakikita nga kayo. Pero yung energies nyo magkahiwalay. Pwedeng nakikita nga kayo sa isang lugar. No? Sabihin sa classroom, sa trabaho, sa bahay, nasa isang bubong nga, pero hindi nag-uusap. So there is still separations. That's not a physical separation dahil nakikita. So that's energetic separations and that only makes sense. No? Pwedeng hindi kayo nag-usap or pwedeng isang tanong, isang sagot, no? Para kayo nagsha-charades, no? Tao ba yan? Or Pinoy henyo, no? Tao ba to? No? Bagay. Ayan. Ang masakit doon, kasi nga, ang masakit kung ano pa, kung combinations, physical and energetic separations. But either way, kung meron mga na-unblock, I'm seeing Princess of Swords, magkakaroon din naman ng agreement, no? Especially for those of you that yung sinasabi ko ng OFW na medyo iba yung time zone, no? Baka umaga doon, gabi dito, no? Umaga dito, gabi doon. I think that there is something in here regarding the conversation of meeting halfway, no? And meeting halfway means yung siguro paghapon, no? Yung walang maapektuhan. Siguro ganun talaga, magtitiis muna tayo sa kung ano yung pwede nating in-nourish, no? Kung ano yung nasa plate natin. And I feel like this is a mutual agreement that it's a win-win situation, not just one-sided, with the Six of Swords in here and the Nine of Pentacles. So nakikita ko, ang ngiti ay babalik na naman. Ang saya ay babalik na naman. Hindi man ganun kasaya, no? Pero somehow, with the Nine of Cups, this is a wish fulfillment. So, I think kung, especially, no, the Pisces season is approaching. Tama ba? Yes, Pisces season are approaching. And I feel like, yeah, Pisces season is approaching. Bakit nasa Aries ako agad? Pisces season is approaching. So I feel like baka meron ditong surprise, no, sa birthday mo na makikipagkita or baka bibisitahin ka or uuwi without your knowledge. This may be something that's gonna happen in physical form. Kasi ang core natin dito, ang iyong parang ninanais is you're longing for someone's you can feel, touch, hear, no, taste talaga with the Nine of Cups. So this is a separation, I believe, that kahit sandali, no, magpapakita ito. And the tower in here, there may be some changes. No, tower moment sometimes is, totoo naman nakakatakot yan. Kasi tower moment, pagguho. But I feel like in this situation, it's more of a transformation. No, let's say meron ngang pangako, no? Let's say bago ka mag-birthday, pwedeng after the birthday, but still this is going to happen. No, and I feel like hindi man matupad ang lahat ng naipangako. One thing's for sure, ang matutupad dito ay makikita mo in person, mahahawakan, maririnig, no? At magkakaroon ng kaayusan. So doon po sa medyo longing for, the warmth of their body, no? Kasi we're human and it's part of the relationship, no? Making love is part of the relationship. We're not talking about sex, we're talking about making love. Yan. So doon po, makakamot din yan, no? So let's check the um, other cards, and gusto ko lang pong ipaalala doon po sa ating Babaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo. So pwede kayong magtanong, no? Kung hindi niyo naaabutan, pwede naman kayo dito magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. Kung wala po dito ang inyong reading, baka nandun po sa Babaylan TV, February the 8th to February the 14th reading. No? Kung gusto niyo dalawang readings, di much better. No? Baka parehas naman mag-resonate. Ayan. So, Pisces, kung hindi po kayo nasasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box po ng video na ito, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click nyo lang po yun, ma-route na kayo sa website ko. Nandun po yung question form. Nandun rin po nakalagay yung amount per question, the name, number, QR code for your reference. No? I also created the 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it dahil discounted nga. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So Pisces, Zora Neale Hurston. So I want you to know that this is the oracle for the witches, and this writes down history. No, whatever happens in here, kumbaga naka-diary, no, recorded. It actually happened. So from what I am seeing, this signifies that these manifestations is something that worth writing down, saving. It could be saving from your diary, saving from your memory bank, and something that you can probably, both of you, can talk about as part of the challenges that you surpasses. No, this may be one of the biggest, or if not the biggest, challenges that you have or that you had. But I am definitely sure that you can surpass all of these no matter what. No? And let's get a message from the universe. Trust yourself more. Know that you are in the right place at the right time. Opportunities will present themselves to you when they are meant to. Okay, ulit. Trust yourself more. Know that you are in the right place at the right time. Opportunities will present themselves to you when they are meant to. All in divine timing. Get excited about the future again instead of fearing it. So I feel like dahil nga you are in separations, baka iniisip mo, ay, nagloko na itong person ko, ay, baka makahanap ng ganun. Instead of fearing, no, or entertaining negativities, prepare yourself for something, because I definitely see that there is a surprise for your coming birthday celebration. And I feel like this is the manifestations of everything that you probably asked for, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo, baka kapwa Pisces nga ngayon, no? Scorpio, Cancer. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the